Yeah, so shouldn't be looking this serious. Welcome to this channel. My name is Pam. I do lots of DIYs and random stuff. Yes, and today I'm going to show you how I make my standard denim jacket. I'm not really going to make, but I'm just going to spice it up to have the studs. I don't really have the studs, but I got these set of earrings. It's about 15-16 pairs. So these are the ones that I'm going to use on my green denim jacket. Do you have a green denim jacket? I do. I know, right? It's very rare. Yeah, I have a green denim jacket. This is how it looks like. It's so simple, guys. Just in case you don't have or you can't access the real studs, I'll insert a photo of what I mean. I don't know how to call them, but if you don't have the real studs, you can use these stud earrings to spice up your denim jacket, you know, and look fancy and all that. Yeah. So I'm going to put this here and then I'll show you how it looks. So you want to put these studs where it won't hurt, you know, like it's going to, let me show you. So if you put it somewhere like here, you see this part will kind of hurt you. So make sure the parts you're going to put these earrings, if you're using earrings, make sure you're going to use it where it won't hurt you. So for instance, if you're not going to use your pockets, you can put it here. You can also put it here, and the collars. I'm done. So if you have lots and lots of earrings that you can use, you can add where you want, but I just wanted mine to be simple with a little glamour. Yep, so let's see how it looks. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and until the next video, bye guys.